Hi everyone, Henriette here, and today I'm gonna share a tutorial on how to make these cute surprise Halloween cards. I've used my Cricut Maker 4 and some textured cardstock in black, white, pink and orange for this project. Following the Design Space prompts, cut and score all your pieces as is needed and remove them off your mat. I've also used some glitter pens to write the boo onto the card, just for an extra surprise. Once you have cut and scored all your pieces, you are ready for the assembly. To assemble, we're going to fold the top into a mountain fold, and the next two will be valley folds, with the last fold being a mountain fold as well. So the top and the bottom one are mountain folds. We're doing a mountain fold on our orange pieces as well, making sure to tuck in those fine little bits so they can fit nicely on top of your black backer piece that you have just folded. I'm going to add some glue behind my orange pieces, and then I'm going to spread that with an earbud, but you can of course use whatever you have available. I generally use an earbud or a paintbrush so the glue doesn't smudge when I've adhered it. And then I use my brayer just to make sure all those pieces are adhered well. Again, blobs of glue behind the orange piece, and then I spread it towards the edges with a application tool, whatever I have available. I know there are some fancy glue that come with their own application tool. I'm trying to reuse all the bits I've got so I can finish them off and clean my craft room again. Then using my brayer just to press down. Next I'm going to start assembling the eyes. So I'm going to take the two white pieces and glue the black pieces on top, making sure that your eyes are the same, because else your cat is going to look like it has a bit of a lazy eye. So I'm going for an upwards cute cat stare, so putting it towards the top of the white piece, trying to space it so they are more or less the same. Now I don't glue mine straight away, I'm just placing them on there so I can move their positioning once I am ready. There's the cute little nose coming on as well. Next I'm going to put my boo piece on. I'm going to use some foam squares behind it so it pops up nicely, and I'm going to position it so it doesn't interfere with the fold, so just below or above the fold lines, and I want the paw pieces to look like they are holding that boo into place. I'm doing a foam square behind it and then placing it just slightly over the boo. It's looking so cute. Moving the backing piece. There we go. Oops, I moved my eyes. That looked funny. Now I'm going to glue those eyes into place, making sure they actually stay where I want them to stay. Another piece of glue behind that eye, positioning one slightly higher than the other, and it's a tilted head. Nose into place, and now we're going to make sure all our lines are folded again, because we've added extra layers that ear can tuck in there, making sure our pumpkin can close the top piece, tuck in just below the bottom piece so it stays close. There we go. And then if you open it, there you go, a cute little boo cat. I really like this one, so I thought I'll make a different variation with a ghost in as well. They are both available on my Cricut Design Space profile, and I will share the link in the captions. Thanks for watching.